Hello everyone, here's what's up in San Bernardino for September 22nd through September 28th, 2025. Come to the 5th Street Senior Center on Monday, 600 West 5th Street in San Bernardino for the Seniors Billiards Tournament. Tournament format will be based upon number of entries per age bracket. An overall championship round will be played following the age division brackets. Check-in begins at 8 a.m. and start time is 8:30 a.m. For more information, call 909-384-5430. Tuesday, Ringo Starr and his all-star band come to Yamava Resort and Casino. From his beginnings with the Beatles in the 1960s, Ringo has been one of the brightest musical luminaries in the world. For tickets and more information, visit yamava.com. The City of San Bernardino's Police Department is calling all youths to join them for the Center Ring After-School Program at Nuno's Park, 1717 West 5th Street in San Bernardino. This event will span 40 weeks and will help enrich local youth with sports and recreational activities, as well as confidence-building exercises. Join San Bernardino Valley College and San Bernardino County Department of Behavioral Health for the Sound of Recovery Concert, a powerful celebration of hope, healing, and community. This uplifting event highlights the strength found in recovery through the arts, storytelling, music, and lived experiences. To be held at the San Bernardino Valley College Auditorium, 701 South Mount Vernon Avenue in San Bernardino. For more information, call 909-384-8906. Are you interested in starting your own food business? SBDC Eats is a program that helps you learn what it takes. Through this program, you'll be guided through the necessary steps to plan, build, and launch your food business and products in the marketplace, including licensing and permits, market research, competition, and more. For more information, call 800-616-7232. Enjoy the free Starlight Cinema movies on Saturday at Colony Park, 100 East Harwick Drive in San Bernardino. Grab your family, enjoy activities, and experience a movie under the stars. This week's film is Migration, a heartwarming and inspiring story about survival and the power of hope. Activities start at 6 p.m. and the movie starts at dusk. For more information, call 909-998-2750. This weekend, the Firefighter Cancer Support Network and Scott Jenny present a health and wellness symposium at 285 East Hospitality Lane in San Bernardino. Join them for a groundbreaking 2.5-day program dedicated to cancer awareness, prevention, and early detection tailored specifically for firefighters. For more information, call 866-994-3276. And that's what's up in San Bernardino for September 22nd through September 28th, 2025. If you have an event that you'd like us to highlight here, send an email to events@videop.com. And we'll see you next time and we'll let you know what's up San Bernardino.